Hello guys, how are you? So this video is a tutorial about Laravel framework of PHP that I'm going to discuss with you guys and explain to you guys the Laravel framework of PHP. This is the first video of the first playlist called Laravel framework. So basically, Laravel is a framework of PHP. It's the best one actually. If you want to build like a big application or something, it has a lot of packages, a lot of specifications, and of course there is a documentation. If you just go to the documentation of Laravel, you will find a lot of things in every part of Laravel is explained in there. Okay, firstly, I'm going to start this video with the installation of Laravel. Create your first application, create your first project, and to do this, guys, you will need to set up your composer. Set up your composer in your computer. So if you don't install your composer, just go to install your composer in your computer. Then there is a such commands. It's pretty easy to do that. It's like there is two ways to install Laravel project. To create a new Laravel project is with the command create project and with the requirement of Laravel installer, but the easy one, it's the first one actually for me. If you want to use the second, it's pretty easy. Also, it's explained in the project in the documentation of Laravel. Okay, guys, to do the guys, well, I have my localhost installed in here, called like XAMPP. You have to install it too in order to do your, like, it's a web service to check and to host your website and your application. So I'm going to install a new project Laravel. I'm going to my VS Code and new terminal, and I'm going to start with the composer. First, basically create the command of composer, create a project, and I'm gonna use Laravel. I want Laravel /Laravel. So here basically when I do this, it will give me the latest version of Laravel. Here I'm gonna use the name of the application. I'm gonna use it my app, and basically if I'm using this commands Laravel will give me the latest version, that is 10.x. okay, but if I want to specify a version, I should like just specify the version after the Laravel command. Okay, guys, I'm gonna launch my command here, and it's installing. It will grab you all the stuff about Laravel, all the extensions, all the what you should like need in your project. Wait till the project installed. Tick tack, tick tack. It's okay, 60 package. There we go. My project is good. I'm going to access to my app. There is my app in here. So I'm gonna open my project in here, guys. Okay, let's go to example h2.doses. There is my app. Select the folder. So basically this is the files of Laravel. As you can see, guys, there is a lot of stuff in here. There's the first part is app. It's all about the backend, all about the HTTP, contains the controllers, the middlewares, and all the models in here. Also, you can create requests, a lot of stuff. We're gonna explain all this stuff in the future. There is a bootstrap. It's just like a folder of bootstrap. There is a config. It's all about the config. If you want to configure your application, contains the app, that there is a lot of stuff about the environment things and the time zone and the local things. There is authentication. It's all about the sessions and authentication. There is a cache. There is all the stuff of the configuration of your website. So basically, this is the fourth one is their base. It's all about the factories and migration setters. We will explain all this stuff. Don't worry, guys. There is a public. It's all about the images, the pictures, and stuff about the front end. There is resources. It's where you store your ACE files and your JavaScript files, or using any framework of JavaScript like TypeScript, like Vue.js or React and Angular, guys. And there is also the views. This is where you have your HTML things, your HTML stuff. We call that like play.php with this extension of Laravel. Okay, guys. There is your routes. This is where the routes store. We're gonna store like a route with the get and the post the resources. There is a lot of methods. We're gonna explain all this stuff. There is storage, where you store your videos, pictures, logs, cache, a lot of stuff. There is test units, and of course vendor contains all the stuff that you need in your project. There is the file of environment. You can configure your application from here, and other files from here. So this is the first video about the installation of your application. The next video we're gonna talk about each part of the Laravel application. And thank you so much for your watching. See you in the next video.